Complete internet marketing shocking case studies in 2019 and 2020. Steinway Pianos. Steinway Pianos is an American piano company, popular for manufacturing and selling high-quality, world-class pianos. Objective. The company's objective was to generate more conversions, to attract new customers, and to drive more sales. Strategy. The company ran a series of email marketing campaigns targeted at clients from a list collected from the company's website. Results? The company generated a 40% increase in new users, decreased bounce rates by almost 15%, and increased their conversion rate by a whopping 629%. Wholesale Marine. Wholesale Marine is an online retailer that specializes in quality boating products. Objective. The retailer's objective was to increase organic reach, market share, and revenue. Strategy. The retailer got its website audited, fixed a series of errors that were limiting its organic reach, and optimized all content for search engines. Results? The retailer achieved higher keyword rankings, increased organic reach by 66%, and increased revenue generated by organic traffic by 190%. Light Impressions. Light Impressions is a multi-million-dollar archival supplies retailer. Objective. The retailer's objective was to lower cost per acquisition and improve its organic reach. Strategy. The retailer optimized its website with search engine-friendly content and code, enhanced its call to action and user experience, and implemented on-page search engine elements. Results? The retailer now ranks in the top 10 of Google search results in its niche, even outranking Amazon for product searches. Traffic from non-branded searches increased to 10,000 visitors a month and is converting at 2%. Wiseman Home Outlets. Wiseman Home Outlets is a leading supplier of discounted kitchen cabinets and bathroom finished products. Objective. The supplier's objective was to build an email database and increase return on investment. Strategy. The company added a sign-up form to their website offering free home measuring services and large discounts. Results? The email campaign generated $38,000 in sales during its first month and increased open rates by 15%. Invite Health. Invite Health is a company that sells high-end vitamins and supplements. Objective. The company wanted to transition from being a brick-and-mortar store to developing and growing an online business. Strategy? The company created an e-commerce website where it implemented search engine optimization and content marketing strategies. It also developed an email marketing campaign to generate online leads. Results? The company was able to generate a revenue boost of 46%, a boost in transactions of 47%, and a 58% boost in traffic in its first 2 years. Hobie Polarized. Hobie Polarized is a lifestyle company that sells trendy outdoor eyewear. Objective. The company wanted to enhance its website experience to attract more qualified visitors. Strategy. The company improved on-site search engine optimizations, site navigation, and design. It also implemented email marketing and paid search ads into its marketing plan. Results? The company was able to increase revenue by 244% and to boost average order value. EDP Dental. EDP Dental is the leading dental plan company in the New York City area. Objective. The company wanted to increase website traffic and the amount of conversions on its website. Strategy. The company implemented a number of optimizations on its sites, including new content that incorporated target keywords to boost site ranking, enhanced CTA placement, and social follow buttons. Results? The company was able to attract new customers, increase spending, and generated 495 new leads in the first 6 months. Road Cases USA. Road Cases USA is an American manufacturer of musical instruments, lighting equipment, and travel cases. Objective. The company wanted to increase their overall sales. Strategy. The company optimized their website design and SEO to reach more organic leads, and implemented pay-per-click advertising strategies into its marketing plan. Results? The company was able to increase organic traffic by 14%, its number of orders coming from ads to its website by 26%, and revenue by 25%. Jennings Heating and Cooling. Jennings Heating and Cooling is a company that provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services. Objective: the company wanted to increase sales, achieve higher search rankings, and generate more leads from organic traffic. Strategy: the company implemented several search engine optimizations on its website, such as adding buying intent keywords into the website's content. Results: the company was able to increase its number of new and repeat customers, as well as to increase total average website visits by 54%. Forever Lawn. Forever Lawn is a premier artificial and synthetic grass manufacturer. Objective: the company wanted to reach more potential customers and leads on the internet. Strategy: the company started targeting local customers by implementing geo-targeted search engine optimizations on landing pages full of buyer intent keywords. Results: the company was able to grow organic traffic by 25% and to increase conversions from organic search users by 28%. How to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Giveaways, sweepstakes, and competitions are all great tools that you can integrate into your complete internet marketing plan to move qualified leads deeper into your conversion funnel. In this lesson, we are going to show you how you can funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway campaign in 2019 and 2020. Setting up a giveaway campaign the easy way. The best way to set up giveaway campaigns in 2019 and 2020 is by using contest platforms. In this lesson, we are going to use Gleam, a contest platform that allows you to run unlimited competitions for free. Go to your Gleam account after signing up and click on the New Competition button. Now enter the name of your new contest in the name field. Here you can add an actionable phrase and include the name of your prize. This will help you encourage users to participate and share the contest. Now select the start and end dates of your giveaway campaign using the calendar functions on this screen. Now click on the User Details tab and paste your Facebook page's URL in the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Now click on the How to Enter tab. On this page, you will be able to select how contestants will earn their entries. As you can see here, you can refer traffic to all your marketing channels as entry methods. For example, a user that reaches your contest through your website will have to visit your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram profiles to earn additional entries. This strategy allows you to generate lots of referral traffic to all your channels. In this example, we'll add website visit, YouTube visit, Facebook visit, Instagram visit, and Twitter follow as entries to our campaign. Let's start by adding the website visit entry. First, click on the Visit a Page option from the Entry Method menu. Now move over the Visit a Page column to customize this entry. Start by adding a call to action, inviting leads to visit your website into the title field. Now enter the number of valid entries participants earn into the Worth Number of Entries box. Now check the Mandatory option. Now enter your website or landing page URL into the Link URL field. Now enter CTA text into the Button text field. Now let's add the YouTube entry. Click on the YouTube icon. Now click on Visit YouTube Channel. Enter your YouTube channel URL into the Channel URL field and check the Mandatory and Require Authentication options. Let's now add the Facebook entry. Click on the Facebook icon. Now click on the Visit on Facebook option. Now enter the URL of your Facebook page in the URL field, select the Like the Page option below, and check the Mandatory option. Let's now add the Twitter entry. Click on the Twitter icon. Click on the Follow on Twitter option. Enter your Twitter handle in the username field and check the mandatory box. Let's now add the Instagram entry. Click on the Instagram icon. Click on the Visit Instagram Profile option. Enter your username or Instagram profile URL in the username or profile URL field, and check the mandatory box. As you can see, there are several other marketing channels that you can add as entries, including LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Twitch. Other entry methods that will help you to increase referral traffic and generate leads include viral share and subscribe to a newsletter. Now click on the Prize tab. Enter the name of your prize in the title field. Select the number of winners you'll pick and enter a description of the prize. Now click on Save to finish creating this giveaway. And that's it! You can now share this contest by embedding it to a page on your website, by sharing the giveaway's landing page URL, and by adding a Facebook tab for this giveaway on your Facebook pages. Optimizing your website for search engines in 2019 and 2020. Hey there everyone! Complete Internet marketing is all about enhancing your brand's online presence so you can generate more traffic, leads, and sales. And it all starts by optimizing your website for search engines. In this lesson, we are going to show you how you can optimize an existing website from scratch. We'll use WordPress as our content management system of choice, because it allows us to make optimizations on the fly, without coding or website design experience required. If you're using WordPress, then you'll be able to follow the steps in this lesson to the letter. But if you're using a different system, you'll simply have to apply the steps where they correspond. Step number 1. Installing a search engine optimization plugin. You have to keep your on-site search engine optimizations in check. With WordPress, you can simply optimize and refine on-site SEO by installing a plugin. The best SEO plugin for WordPress websites is Yoast SEO. To install the Yoast SEO plugin, just move over the Plugins tab on the left-hand menu and click on the Add New option. Now type Yoast SEO in the search bar and wait for the results. Now locate Yoast SEO in the results and click on Install Now. Now click on Activate. You will be able to optimize your on-site SEO after installing this plugin by moving over the Yoast SEO tab on the left-hand menu and selecting an area that you'd like to optimize. The plugin scans your site for SEO errors and provides you with recommendations to fix them, saving you all the guesswork. Step number 2. Add a meta description for search results. Now that you've installed Yoast SEO, you can use it to apply your first on-site SEO optimization, a meta description for all your pages. Adding a meta description will help you to increase search engine traffic to your site, because meta descriptions help search users to know what your site is all about when your content pages appear in search results. Move over the Yoast SEO tab and click on the Search Appearance option. Now click on the Taxonomies tab and then on the meta description field to write your meta description. Rules to write the best possible meta description include making sure to include your main target keyword in your meta description, including additional high-volume search terms in your niche, and including a call to action to invite search users to click on your link. Your meta description should be 155 characters or less, or they will look incomplete in search results. You can click on Save Changes after writing your meta description. Step number 3. Install a caching plugin. Search engines like Google measure load speeds to determine a site's ranking. One of the easiest ways to improve your site's load speed is by installing a caching plugin. A caching plugin will create dynamic copies of your pages to avoid loading the entire content every time that a user enters a page on your site. Our caching plugin pick is the WP Supercache plugin, the most popular and user-friendly caching plugin for WordPress. To install the WP Supercache plugin, just move over the Plugins tab on the left-hand menu and click on the Add New option. Now type WP Supercache in the Search Plugins bar. Locate WP Supercache in the results and click on Install Now. You can click on Activate after it is installed. Now move over the Settings tab on the left-hand menu and click on WP Super Cache. Select the Caching On option in the Easy section and click on Update Status. Step number 4. Optimize on-site SEO in the Customizer. You can add some simple yet powerful SEO optimizations to your site structure to increase search traffic to your site. With WordPress, you can add these customizations with a few clicks of your mouse using the Customizer. Move over the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu and click on Customize. Once in the Customizer, do this step by step. Start by clicking on the Site Identity tab from the left-hand menu. Click on Select Logo to upload a logo to your site. Now click on Select File to locate your image logo on your computer. Double-click on your logo to upload it. You can improve your site's discoverability by inserting niche keywords in your image's metadata. You simply have to enter a long-tail keyword in your niche to the title and alt text fields in the Attachment Details section. We recommend you to enter the same keyword in both fields. You can click on Select to continue after adding metadata to your logo. Now enter the name of your site in the Site Title field. Now enter your site's tagline in the Tagline field. Your site's tagline affects your ranking. A good site's tagline is simply a brief description of your site that includes your main target keywords, separated by commas. This will help search engine algorithms to better understand the topic of your site. Now move over Site Icon and click on Select Image to add an icon to your site. Here you can use a simplified version of your logo. Don't forget to optimize the title and alt text fields. These are all on-site optimizations that you have to add using the Customizer, so you can click on the Publish button to finish and load them to your site. Now click on Close to go back to the dashboard. Step number 5. Install Share Buttons. It is crucial to add share buttons to your site. Share buttons give visitors and content readers an easy way to share your content with others, which generates qualified traffic. You can add share buttons to your WordPress site the easy way by installing a social share plugin. Our top social share plugin pick is the Social Pug plugin. Move over the Plugins tab on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. Type Social Pug on the search bar. Now locate the Social Pug plugin in the results and click on the Install Now button. Now click on Activate. With these simple steps, you've just added share buttons to all your content pages. Step number 6. Activate search engine visibility and SEO-friendly URLs. There are 2 additional SEO optimizations that you have to make sure are active on your WordPress website. First, move over the Settings tab on the left-hand menu, and then click on Reading. Find the Search Engine Visibility option and make sure that the box is unchecked. If it is checked, simply uncheck it and click on Save Changes. Now click on the Permalinks option in the Settings menu. Under Common Settings, select the Post Name option and click on Save Changes. This option will allow you to include the keywords in your headlines of your URLs to increase your site's ranking for those keywords in search results. And that is it for now, everyone. Next up, we'll be showing you how to compose blog posts that are optimized to generate traffic from everyone's favorite search engines.